Today's market snapshot, May 7th, 2026. Gold, $4,742 Oz. Metals market review. News gained over 1% today, the highest in a week. Bulls are eyeing resistance at 4,012. Silver, $81 OZ, leading the sector with a 6.6% jump today. Prices have risen over 150% compared to a year ago. Copper, $13,385 surged on hopes that a reopened Strait of Hormuz will lower shipping costs and energy-driven inflation. Iron ore, 817 yuan MT, fluctuated upward with heavy trading today. Short-term forward deep dive. The next 48 to 72 hours are critical for the metals complex, driven by two primary macro catalysts. 1. The Hormuz relief trade. The market is currently pricing in a one-page peace memorandum between the U.S. and Iran. Mechanism. If the Strait of Hormuz reopens, oil prices, currently near $99 to $100 BBL, are expected to drop further. Impact on metals. This reversal of the inflation mechanism, high oil, high PCE, may finally allow the Federal Reserve to consider interest rate cuts in late 2026. Winner. Silver is outperforming because it benefits from both lower interest rate expectations and the restoration of manufacturing activity that was stalled by energy spikes. 2. Labor data and AMP. The Fed Friday's non-farm payrolls report, May 8th, is the most consequential scheduled event for the week. Softer result. A weak jobs report, consensus 49,000, would likely extend today's gains by cementing the case for a 2026 rate cut. Stronger result. Above consensus jobs would reinforce a higher-for-longer Fed stance, potentially triggering a sharp correction back to support levels, e.g., $4,550 for gold. Institutional Outlook, 2026 forecasts. Institutional analysts have issued aggressive upward revisions for the remainder of the year. Gold targets. Goldman Sachs has raised its end of 2026 forecast to $5,400, while UBS and JP Morgan see potential moves toward $5,900, $6,300. Copper deficits. Supply deficits are expected to hit 330,000 a ton in 2026, driven by delays at major mines like Grasberg and Kamoa-Kakula. City Projects copper could hit $15,000 a ton if inventories continue to dwindle. Strategic shift. New funds like the Wisdom Tree WDIG Fund are launching to capture demand for strategic metals used in AI data centers and green infrastructure. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. This has been the Global Edition, today's news. Stay informed. See you tomorrow.